I'm gonna show you one of my favorite things to make. It's my 30-minute tempeh chili. Add a couple tablespoons of coconut oil. Grab a block of tempeh, cube it up, and I'm gonna toss these around for about 5 to 8 minutes until they get golden brown around all 6 sides. You just set it aside. And I'm gonna heat up some coconut oil. Add our onions. We'll get our 2 cloves of garlic ready. Throw that in. Just a little bit of pepper, salt, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of cumin, 1 teaspoon, coriander. We're gonna add our tempeh, 1 16-ounce jar, regular salsa, our fire roasted tomatoes, 14.5-ounce can, 1.5 cups vegetable broth, our can of black beans. I want this to heat up and cook all the way through. I like to cut back on the fat content, so as much as I love sour cream, I think a really nice alternative is a really good yogurt. And I'm just gonna take a big scoop, garnish this with some Stonyfield yogurt, green onion. It's so good. You got that cooling sensation from the yogurt. You get that bite from the tempeh. Enjoy.